Why are constitutional amendments powerful checks on judicial power? Imagine a system where the judiciary interprets laws and the Constitution itself, shaping the foundation of the nation's legal landscape. Now consider what happens when the judiciary's interpretation conflicts with the will of the people or the legislative branch. This tension highlights why constitutional amendments serve as a vital mechanism to balance judicial authority. Constitutional amendments are formal changes to the United States Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land. These amendments are proposed either by two-thirds of both houses of Congress or by a constitutional convention called by two-thirds of the state legislatures. Once proposed, they must be ratified by three-fourths of the state legislatures or state conventions. This rigorous process ensures that amendments reflected a broad consensus across the nation. One key reason amendments are powerful checks on judicial power is their ability to alter or clarify the constitutional framework itself. When courts interpret the Constitution in ways that may expand or limit rights or authority, the legislative branch or the states can respond by proposing amendments to explicitly define or restrict those interpretations. For example, the 18th Amendment, which prohibited alcohol, was a direct response to judicial and legislative debates over alcohol regulation. Its subsequent repeal by the 21st Amendment demonstrated how amendments can override judicial decisions and reshape legal standards. Another important aspect is that amendments can address issues that courts might be slow to resolve or may interpret differently over time. Judicial decisions are based on the current understanding of the law, but amendments can set new constitutional parameters that courts are bound to follow. This process ensures that the Constitution remains a living document that adapts to societal changes, with amendments serving as a formal way for the people to reassert their will. Furthermore, amendments can limit judicial power by explicitly defining rights and powers. For instance, the 10th Amendment reserves powers not delegated to the federal government to the states or the people, providing a constitutional basis for states to challenge federal judicial interpretations that overreach. This decentralization of authority helps prevent any single branch from becoming too dominant. In essence, constitutional amendments are a direct expression of democratic authority. They empower the populace to shape the fundamental laws of the land, ensuring that the judiciary's interpretations do not become unchecked or absolute. By providing a formal process for change, amendments serve as a crucial safeguard that maintains the balance of power among the branches of government and preserves the principles of democracy.